Today we are going to install dash cam in Renault Duster. It's a 2017 model. So this is the dash cam which I ordered from AliExpress. Okay, I will share the link from where I've ordered the details of this dash cam in the description of this video. And this is the harness which comes with this dash cam. This is going to be the hardwire, so it would be a good learning how to hardwire a dash cam in your car. And this is the sticker which comes with the dash cam itself. It's a two-sided tape which we're going to just paste it over here and just paste on the windscreen of the car. And these are the tools which are required for 12 volt DC. And this is the tools. These two tools come with the dash cam itself as a gift. And this is the cutter, and this is a cable tie. During this installation we will not going to make any changes in the OEM setting. We will not going to cut any of the wire. Nothing. The warranty will remain as it is. It will remain intact. Nothing will be changed. No configuration changes, no wire changes, nothing at all. So let's start. This is the fuse box from where we will just going to provide the power to the dash cam. So you have to check. This is a left-hand drive car, so it's on the left-hand side of the car. This is the fuse box. Here you can see all the fuse of the car. So I'm looking for the fuse from where I can provide the power to the dash cam. So it's written in this cover of the fuse cover, it's written refer owner's manual. So we have to refer the owner's manual to check which fuse provide power to which component, which part of your car. So we have to. This is the manual. So in the manual I am just looking for the fuse which is of almost 15 amperes, somewhere around. So if we check on the fuse box, here you can see it's a 15 ampere fuse, and you can just check the manual, refer the manual. So here you can see it's the 15 number. It's not the here is the count. It's the count is given, not the ampere. You have to check the fuse for the ampere of the fuse. The 15th number here, it's 15 number, say windscreen wiper. So I will going to use this 15th number fuse to provide the power to dash cam. As we don't have any any spare fuse, any spare circuit in the fuse box in which we can just plug this cable, the input power of the dash cam, this one, we don't have any ideal circuit to provide the power. That's why I'm using the fuse of the windscreen wiper. So this is the cable which actually I ordered this cable from the eBay. Actually I use this cable for installing of dash cam on my another car. So I have to use the same for this Renault Duster as well. So here you can see we have to just pin plug this cable in the fuse circuit, and we have to just install the existing 15 ampere fuse in the first one, in this one, and the second one which will going to provide the power to the camera. If you check the cable of the wiring power cable of the camera, we have two cables over here. In the first one it's ACC. ACC will just provide the signal. For that I will going to use this side of the. I will just cut this clip and cut this as well, ACC, because for the ACC the fuse is not required as per my understanding. So I will connect here over here, this one connect over here, and the input power, the yellow cable, this one will go on this second fuse. This 15 ampere fuse from this clip. Actually this clip is provided with the car itself. It's installed in the cover of the fuse box. It's a bit hard, I don't have too much space over here. so you can see it's come out. So here is the fuse. So like we have to complete the circuit first for the existing, like for the wiper. So we have to just install like 15 amp fuse over here, the first one. You can see it's properly installed. So first of all, before just connecting your dash cam, we have to just check whether the circuit is complete or not. We have to just plug this cable in the fuse box and check if wipers are working or not. So here you can see it's installed properly. Okay, so it's installed properly. So now I will just start the ignition and check whether the wipers are working or not. I just start the ignition, so let's check whether the wipers are working or not. You can see it's working, so we are good. Just now we can just connect the dash cam cable in that idle circuit. For routing the cable to fuse box, we have to first take out this plastic cover from the front pillar, left hand side pillar. For that we have to just take out this rubber fittings from here. And we have to just check the locks, like, okay, it's come out very easily. It comes out, so you have to check, like here we have this lock like from the side. We have to just press this and it will pop out. This one over here, so there is only one lock over here. It's like this installed. It's installed like this. We have to just from the side, you have to just press it. We have to just press this and take out. So before just checking for the pillar, like from where we will go to route the cable, just make sure, like we don't have the like the signal cable, the antenna cable for the radio for your music system. Well, if we just route the power cable from there will be a signal loss. So maybe if you just tune your radio, maybe you will not receive all the stations or the frequency of all the stations. So make sure you never route the power cable from the pillar side, from where the radio signal cable is going. The cable, the hardwire cable from the fuse box, from here fuse box to over here, like it's coming out from here. So it will go all the way from here to here. So like now I have just pasted the double-sided tape on my dash cam. You can see it's pasted over here. So I will just take this white 3M just sticker from here and just install the camera like this. Okay, like this. I will just install the camera like this over here. I'm doing this right now, like I'm just before making any wire connection, and I'm just installing the camera first, because if you just route the cable, this hardwire cable, the extra cable, I will just to take the cable tie and just tie all the extra cable in the pillar here itself, so that the extra cable should not be like hanging from here. So here you can see I just install the camera over here properly. Just use the 3M tape which comes with the camera itself to just paste the camera on the windscreen. You can see I just connected the cable and it's routed from here. In the connection wiring part, you can see I have connected the yellow wire. This is the input power. I have connected from the windshield from the fuse circuit. The ACC, or you can say the signal power, it will connect over here, and the ground wire will be connected over here. You can see we have a metal part visible from here. I will just connect the ground to here so that the wiring part is finished. You can see I have just covered all the wires with the black tape and just routed properly and place it over here so that it looks clean. So we are done with the dash cam installation on Renault Duster 2017 model. It's hardwired. You can see the camera is over here, cable is routed from here, and it's properly closed, and the input power is provided from the fuse box. It's also closed. Blue LED which is continuously blinking, it shows the recording has started.